is up, viewers? It is day 2 of this 26 restoration. I'm glad you were here today. Now, in my last episode, actually, so I want to explain you something real quick before I get started. So, oh, by the way, please note, I am gonna do this real quick. So basically, in my last episode, since my first time building a car, I didn't exactly expect it to be like how it went like. So, like, I kind of got a hard time a little bit. But, I recovered and I am ready to start day 2 of this process. So, without further ado, let's get started. But before we get started, I would like to remind y'all to please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any video suggestions, leave that in the comments, and let's get going. Woo! Also, for your day 2 entertainment, I wanted to add y'all a little something. Hi!